2023, 2024, that was when we started having things like ChatGPT, and look at where we are in less than 2 years. In about 2 years, it has really like moved faster than it's ever done in decades. So, um, and then the question is, how do you even like what do you do? What do you how do you find better paying opportunities? How do you not get swallowed up in the crazy world of jobs, right? And it's not looking as if you blink, you see 9,000 people laid off, 2,000 people laid off. And it's not as if these people are bad people, right? Or maybe they're terrible at their jobs. It's just that what job really means, what a work means have really evolved. And adapting yourself to the realities is very important. It might not be convenient. In fact, not might not. It is not convenient, but then let's find a way to make it work. And then I've also experienced a workplace where they it looks like they liked AI, but while I was working with them, they were frustrating my life. Apparently, they don't like AI. Like it was like we were, oh, we all like AI, support it, and AI is work. But then when you create with AI, it becomes a problem. So it's all the things that like you put into you then wonder, okay, how far, how much of this, how much should you learn? How in fact, when you're learning, when is it time for you to actually start reaching out? Because in this time and age also, we are also in time of information overload, knowledge overload. Like there's a lot in your face. Every time I go to YouTube, right, there's one video or another telling me how to do it, how to do whatever. There's so much information overload. And then you're wondering, when is it time for me to actually, oh, now I've learned enough and it's time for me to try to now use what I've done in a real life scenario. So this session, I want to walk us through. I want to see if we can like